Tell me when you're happy. This is Renee from iMore.com. We are at Macworld Pipe iWorld 2012, and I am talking to Johan, now from Garmin. How's it going, Johan?
Very good, how are you?
Very good. Now, last year we spoke to you for Navigon, but now you have Navigon plus Garmin and a whole range of applications.
Yeah, so I mean it's a whole different world because Garmin has a lot of different business units spanning aviation, fitness, outdoor, and we embrace apps in all of these units. So it's not only turn-by-turn navigation, but it's fitness apps, outdoor apps. We even have an aviation app that pilots can use to navigate a plane. So there's a lot of new stuff that we can talk about.
Is it fair to say that location isn't just for driving anymore? I mean, we've done the driving, now we want to put it in other parts of our life?
Yeah, that's true. And I mean, GPS technology is very flexible. You can use it for all kinds of stuff. So if you want to track your workout, you can use it. Or if you want to go out with your kids and go on a digital treasure hunt with your iPhone, you can do that too. So there's a lot of different use cases for this.
We're balancing the work with the fun.
Yes, that's true.
So what do you want to show us?
So at this show, we are introducing a new feature or new update for our on-demand app, which is geared towards travelers. So we integrate social media networks. So you can look up Wikipedia information on the map. So if you go to a new city, you can just look at buildings. If you see something interesting, you can click on each of these little icons to find out more about these buildings.
So it doesn't just show you the attractions, it lets you learn about them, find out if they interest you.
Yeah, that's correct. And this application is called On Demand because you don't have to pay a big fee. You just pay 99 cents, and then you pay as you go. And then you can, especially travelers that don't use navigation all the time, you just pay $2.99 once you go somewhere. And then when you walk around an area that's interesting, you can find out all these interesting information.
Because price used to be a barrier. People would look at it, see the large price, and maybe figure they could get along without it. But now you've removed that hurdle.
Exactly. And we're all about offering the customer many different choices.
Yes.
So you can get the Navigon app if you like the Navigon interface. If you have a Garmin navigation device, you'll find the same interface in the Garmin Street Pilot app.
Yes, absolutely.
So there's just different options that we offer.
You're bringing the technology to the user, not making them go to you.
Exactly. Yeah. And then we also integrate, in this update, we also integrate Facebook and Foursquare.
Okay.
So you can, once you arrive at your destination, you can check into those locations and let your friends know that you're there.
And you don't have to keep switching apps. It's all within.
Exactly. It's just reducing the steps it takes to do different things.
You're making our lives easier.
Exactly. So here you can see it's Facebook, and you can click on it, and you can add a personalized message to it, and then
Very nice. Now you mentioned also that you're getting into health in other areas.
Yes. So we have a fitness application. It's called Garmin Fit.
Okay.
What's really cool, we do a lot of fitness watches. So we have a whole community of athletes that upload data to a website called Garmin Connect.
Okay.
So with this application, you can track your performance, and you can upload it and look at stats, like see how far did I run last month, how did I do the month before, and you can compare it. And you can also hook up adapters, one adapter that uses N+ technology.
Okay.
So you can link it to a heart rate monitor, for example. If you want to go more professional.
And N+, you were saying before, is not the same as Bluetooth, right? It's a more robust protocol?
Yeah, so it's a different technology. Garmin owns this company, and it consumes less energy, so it doesn't drain your battery as much, especially when you work out. When you think about it, you use GPS for your location, then you need to transfer the data, then you use your screen, so the battery drains very quickly. So with this technology, it's much better.
And this also lets you kind of be accountable to your workout, right? So you're more prone to keep doing it because you can see the results in front of you.
Yeah, and I think it motivates a lot of people. And the idea behind this app is, if you don't want to spend $200 for a watch, because you're not sure, how often you will go running, you can just download this app and get into the idea of measuring performance, and then later on you can upgrade.
Again, baby steps.
Right. Yeah, and there's one more app that I wanted to talk about. It's a tracker app. So we have this little device, it's called a GTU-10. It uses GPS and a SIM card, and this application can track the location of this device. So you can attach it to your dog, for example. Or
your child.
To your child. And what's really cool is you can set up geofences. So that means that, for example, if you set a fence around the school of your children, whenever they leave school, you will get a text message, or you will get an email. And you can do that also with your dog. If you want to see, if your dog runs away and leaves this area, you will get an alert.
And you might have sales among certain spouses that we won't mention at this point. But this is it used to ground your kid, right? You can't leave the house. Now you can actually make sure the kid is grounded. No more sneaking out the window.
Yeah, and I mean, it's mostly about peace of mind.
Yes.
You just want to know when they leave, or for example, if your kid decides they want to visit a friend after school, so you know where they are.
Or you're at a theme park, you're at a big shopping mall, especially if you have young kids and they run off. It's
right.
Yeah, it can be really stressful.
Correct.
All right,
so,
awesome.
So that's another app, and the application is free. The device is $199, and it comes with 1 year of service.
Fantastic. All right, thank you very much, Johan. We are talking to Johan from Garmin, and we are at Macworld Pipe iWorld 2012.
Thank you.
Thank you.